Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate water ejection mode on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So first, what you guys want to do is swipe down to the control center. Now here, you guys need to look for the icon of a droplet. So now tap here, and as you guys can see, we need to mind the direction of water ejection and keep the speaker port of the watch facing down when ejecting the water. Now it is ejecting the water. It was a bit loud because it's due to those noises. That's how the water is ejected, but that's how you guys can do that. So this is just in a click of a button here. You guys can find it in the control center, and if you do not have it, then you guys can always hold your finger here, then click on the plus icon and find this one and add it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.